Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to all my dears. How are you? All are fine. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home and doing your online studies as well as complete your notebooks on time of all the subjects like Hindi, English, EVS, Math. Done? Complete your notebooks? Very good. So now it's time for revision. It is your revision time. Which subject? EVS subject. Revision for EVS. We have done so many topics, so many questions in EVS. So now we'll start flowers. Okay. Flowers name. It is question number 8. 7 questions are done. Now question number 8 is flowers name. Flowers name, first we make the pictures, then write down the name of the flower. Okay, so which flower is this? This is lotus. So write the name of the lotus flower is Lotus. Lotus flower. Now how to write? Write down side till the last line. Lotus. Lotus. Here given the help box. So with the help of this, you write down the names of flowers. With the help of this box, you write down the name of flowers. And write till the last line. Write full lines till the last line. Lotus. Lotus. It is a lotus flower. Lotus. Lotus. Write full page of your notebook. Name of lotus. Lotus. Say the spelling and write down the name. Then next is rose. First you make the picture. is a rose flower. Now what is the spelling of rose? R-O-S-E. Rose. With the help box, write down the name of the flower. R-O-S-E. Rose. R-O-S-E. Rose. R-O-S-E. Rose. R-O-S-E. Rose. Is the rose flower. See the name and write down R-O-S-E. Rose. Next picture is a sunflower. Now what is the spelling of sunflower? Yes, S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R. Sunflower. S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R. S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R. When the time of writing, you say the spelling and write the spelling. S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R. Sunflower. Write all the three names of the flowers like lotus, rose and sunflower. And you have to practice it full page. Full page, write till the last line. All the three names write like till the last line. Complete it. Flower's name. Then start next question. Question number 9. Question 9 is matching. So, this is a lotus, this is a rose, this is a sunflower. So, identification of flowers like it is a lotus flower, it is a rose flower, it is a sunflower, it is a daisy and lily. Okay. So, all the flowers with their name, you identify all the names with their pictures. Look at the board and tell me the names of the flower. On number 1, it is a lotus. Number 2 is rose. 3 is sunflower. Next is daisy and lily. All the flowers name, you identify the names of the flower. Done. So, identification done and names are done. Now, move to the next question is question number 9. What is question number 9? Question 9 is matching. Which types of matching? Okay, see the name and look at the pictures. On number 1, the picture of bat and ball. So it is the name of the game is cricket. C-R-I-C-K-E-T. Where is C-R-I-C-K-E-T? Match their name. Okay. So you do yourself match the picture with their name. Start matching. Start matching. Then number 2 is table tennis. Where is the name of the table tennis? Table tennis, T for table tennis. T-A-B-L-E-T-E-L-L-I-S. So you match table tennis with their name. The next is basketball. It is a basketball, basket and ball. So where is basketball? B for basketball. Next picture is hockey. It is a hockey stick and ball. So where is hockey? H for hockey. And at last it is a football. F for football. F-O-O-T-B-A-L-L. Where is football? You match football with their picture. Complete it? Okay. So it is a cricket. Match cricket with their name. The next name is table tennis. T for table tennis, basketball, hockey and football. So it is the matching. If you are correct, you tick mark, and if you are wrong, use your eraser and correct it from the board. So this type of matching, do revision for this. Match the picture with their name. And you know about B for basketball, F for football, C for cricket, T for table tennis and H for hockey. So note down in your EVS notebook question number 9. Then move to the next question is question number 10. Complete it. L U D O. All letters are small letters. Write down the spelling of Ludo. It's L U D O. Now how to write? You write till the last line. L-U-D-O. Ludo. L-U-D-O. Ludo game. It is the Ludo game. Write down the spelling of Ludo and make a picture of Ludo. Next name is So next game is cards. Now write down the spelling of cards. C-A-R-D-S. Cards. So write down till the last line. C-A-R-D-S. 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 The next is chase. C-H-E-S-S. 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 Chase. C-H-E-S-S. Chase. You write down all the three names: Ludo, cards and chess. That are indoor games. All the three names of indoor games write in your EVS notebook. Till the last line, all the three names. So it is your question number 10. We have done all the questions for a revision. Now it's your time for revision. So you do practice for all the topics for your annual exam. Okay. So we have done all the questions. Now you have to practice for all the topics and all the questions like indoor games, outdoor games, flowers name, fruits name, vegetables name, all the topics, parts of body and circle the order. Transports name, you learn the spelling and write the spelling many times. Okay. So till then, bye and have a nice day. Do practice for your exam. Best of luck. Bye. Take care.